What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Stripe test account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Stripe. After typing, you will see this first official website of Stripe. Simply give it a click. After clicking, if you are new to Stripe, you will see the option of sign in. Just simply sign in with your email and password. But if you already have an account on Stripe, you will see the option of dashboard. So you can just directly click on the dashboard and then you will be welcome to the dashboard of Stripe. Now, as you can see, I have been signed in inside Stripe and then I have been welcomed to the home page of Stripe. From here, after coming to the home page, on the right side, click on Setup Guide. And when you click on Setup Guide, you can just see this Test Connect option. After clicking here, you can create a test connected account and you can create a test payment. As you can see, I have already created an account and I have made a test connected account and a test payment, so I cannot create it again. But if you are new or fresh to Stripe, you can click on this test connect and then you can click on create a test connected account and then you can create a test account on Stripe. So this is how you can create a test account on Stripe. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.